Welcome to Creating AI Stuff. If you want to know how to add chapters to your YouTube video, then this is for you. If you'd like subtitles, click on the little closed caption wheel at the bottom of the video. Now let's get started. Chapters break your video up into sections, and timestamps are links that when clicked will let you skip to that part of the video and start playing automatically without you having to watch the entire video. Can you add timestamps in the middle of a video without it being the beginning of a chapter? Yes, you can. But remember, it will still add a break into your video progress bar. Now, before we create chapters, let's talk about automatic video chapters. YouTube AI Analyzer can create automatic chapters, but not all videos are eligible for automatic chapters, and not all eligible videos will have automatic chapters. If your channel has any strikes or your content is inappropriate, chapters will not be available for you. Now, in your YouTube Studio, under your details at the bottom, under the Show More, YouTube automatically enables Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. If you keep it on and YouTube automatically creates your chapters, you definitely need to look it over, because YouTube's AI is the one that is generating those chapter breaks. If you want to turn it off so that it does not allow automatic chapters and key moments, unselect it and then hit the save. To add chapters, your video needs to have a minimum of 3 chapters and a minimum of 10 seconds per chapter, and a maximum timestamp limit for a video is 100 timestamps, and the timestamps must be in order. In your YouTube Studio, on the details page, you will manually add your timestamps here in the description section. You can use this video here in the top right to create your timestamps, or you can go to your page and watch your video there and just write it down, and then go back to the description box and put it back in there, whichever is easiest for you. Okay, so to start, you need to be on the video that you want to add the timestamps to. So we'll click on the video. We'll come here to the description under the details tab. I'm going to put mine at the bottom. I have up to 5,000 characters in this box. So I'm going to start with the intro. The intro is the beginning of your video. Now you can name your first chapter anything you want, but your first chapter must start with 00:00. So the format for timestamping is hour, hour, minute, minute, second, second. So this timestamp right here is 1 minute, 0.52 seconds is when it starts. So if you had a video over an hour, it would be 01:34 minutes, and 6 seconds. It would be the same if it was over a 6-hour video, because I have watched videos that long on YouTube. The timestamp would be 6 hours and 18 minutes and 0 seconds. My video was under an hour, and I've added all the timestamps, and I'm going to hit save. So after you create chapters, how long does it take for YouTube to add them? If you do it manually, they should appear almost instantly if you've used the right format. If it's done automatically by YouTube, YouTube needs to analyze your video, which can take up to a day, and if it's eligible. And you won't see chapters if your video is set to private. And if your chapters aren't showing up on public or unlisted, clear your cache. If you haven't seen chapters after 24 hours for your manual chapters, go to the little question mark at the top of your screen and go to the Help Center. So I've gone to my channel to check it out, and I see here I have the line breaks. If I come down to the description area, here are my chapters and my timestamps. This was also created, and if you've ever done a search and you've seen these little videos, this is where it comes from, your YouTube timestamps. And if you click Show Transcript, it's created a transcript for you at certain points with the minutes next to it. If you click on it, you go to that timestamp. And these are not timestamps that were put into my description. And also, one more thing you can do, you can copy these and you can paste them into your comment. And if you comment, the 3 dots will appear up here, and you can put them as a pinned comment, because not everyone will open up the description box to look for timestamps. And here are my timestamps and chapters in my comments section. So if you just click on it, it goes right to the start of the chapter that it's supposed to go to. And that's it. Thank you for watching Creating AI Stuff. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. And if this video helped you, please subscribe and like, and follow me on my AI journey to creating AI stuff.